Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kimchi fried rice, a flavorful and satisfying meal. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 1.5 cups of chopped aged kimchi, 3 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice, and your preferred protein. Ensure your kimchi is at least 1 week old. This fermentation is key for that perfect tangy flavor. Dice your protein into small, bite-sized pieces, preparing it for cooking. Next, let's get cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large pan or wok over medium-high heat. Add your diced protein, whether it is pork belly or tofu, and cook it until it is beautifully browned and crispy. Then, stir in your 1.5 cups of chopped aged kimchi. Sauté this mixture for about 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen and the kimchi to soften slightly. Now it is time to bring it all together. Add 3 cups of cold, day-old cooked rice to the pan. Using cold rice is a secret for achieving that perfect fried rice texture, preventing it from becoming mushy. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of gochujang, a Korean chili paste, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Stir everything together thoroughly, ensuring the rice is evenly coated with the flavorful kimchi and seasonings. Finally, let's finish up this delicious dish. Continue to cook the fried rice for another 3 to 5 minutes, allowing some of the rice grains to crisp up slightly at the bottom of the pan. This adds a wonderful texture. To serve, garnish your kimchi fried rice with a perfectly fried egg, some fresh sliced green onions, and a drizzle of fragrant sesame oil. Enjoy your homemade meal immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.